Okay, hello again to everyone. How are you today? I am fine. Let's do the naturals lesson of today. See, what date is today? Repeat with me. Today is Wednesday, 3rd of February 2021. So, first, take your books, your notebook, and in the notebook, the flip book. Okay? So, today we will do read the flip book and finish all the pages. Number 2, page 34 and 35 of our book. And the last, finish the flip book with the last page, that it's how we use plants. Okay? So let's read and repeat the flip book. Plants. What a plant needs? A plant needs water. Shh. A plant needs sun. A plant needs minerals of the soil or the ground. And the plant needs air. You have to repeat with me, okay? So let's turn to the next page. Parts of a plant. Repeat. Flowers. Flowers make seeds inside them. Leaves make the food for the plant with water, minerals, air, and sunlight. Stem, repeat with me. Stem connects. Look. Stem connects. The stem connects the roots and the leaves. Roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay? So let's move to the next page. Plant reproduction. Flowering plants, you have to read with me with your flip book, okay? If you don't have your flip book with you, stop the video and take your flip book and then continue. Flowering plants reproduce by making seeds inside their flowers. All flowers have a male and a female reproductive organ inside. Let's see these parts. The corolla, look, the corolla is made of petals. The pistil is here, down. The pistil has ovules inside, and it is the female reproductive organ. So we write female in red. The stamens have pollen inside them. Okay, here we cannot see the stamens. Remember that the pollen, yes, the stamens with the pollen is the male part of the plant. Okay? And then the last, down here, the calyx is made of sepals. Sepals is this green part. Okay? Let's turn to the next page. Plant nutrition, photosynthesis. Let's follow the order. Okay? Number 1. Here. Roots absorb water from the soil. Number 2. Roots absorb minerals from the soil. Repeat with me. Number 3. The leaf absorbs carbon dioxide from the air. The leaf. Okay. Number 4. The leaf absorbs sunlight. So the leaves absorb 2 things: sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air. Number 5. Water and minerals pass through the stem to the leaves. Okay? Pass through the stem to the leaves. And number 6. Plants make oxygen that returns to the air. So, when the plant has got sunlight, carbon dioxide, soil and minerals, the plant makes the food, nyam, 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 and the rest is oxygen that returns to the air. And we, the humans, the people, breathe this air. Okay? So let's move to the next one. Types of plants. You have to mark everything that I put here, okay? Stem, tree. Well, let's start. The types of plants can be divided into 2 ways. By the stem, or by the leaves. Okay? So let's start with the stem. Tree, bush and grass. Repeat with me. It has a woody stem called a trunk. Bush. It has woody stem but near the ground. Grass. It has green stem that are usually short. Okay? So let's see if you remember. This is a tree. Repeat. This is a tree. This is a bush. And this is grass. Okay? You have to look to your flip book and repeat. When we classify the plants by the leaves, we have 2 kinds of trees. Evergreen, always green, and deciduous. Evergreen plants make leaves all the year, in winter, in autumn, okay? In summer. And deciduous plants lose their leaves in autumn. In autumn, all the leaves are falling down, okay? So this song that you remember, it's for the deciduous. plants. Repeat, deciduous. Okay, so now let's start with the last part. That's how we use them. Take the book, page 34 and 35. Magic finger and let's read. Well, think how we use plants. We can use plants to make pencil. Why? Because it's made of wood. This is wood. Okay, so this is the lesson of today. Think how we use plants. For example, I eat plants. I eat some leaves like spinach or sweet corn or tomato. So let's see how we use plants. Plants are essential in our lives. You have to repeat and magic finger. We use plants in many different ways. For food, for medicine, and cosmetics, and for making different materials. For example, we get thread from cotton, flowers to make clothes. So clothes are made with cotton of the plants. We used wood from the trunks to make furniture. We also make paper and card from wood. Okay? The papers are made with wood. Then we use fruit and vegetables as food. We eat roots, stems, leaves, and flowers as well as fruits. For example, carrots are roots. Spinach are leaves. And artichokes, alcachofas, are flowers. Yes, artichokes are the flowers of the plants. So let's continue. We make flour from wheat and we use flour to make bread, pasta and biscuits. Okay? La harina. ¿De acuerdo? We get rubber from some trees to make tires. We use some plants to make perfume, soup, and cosmetics. And we use some plants to make medicines. For example, when you are hurt, yes, or we can put arnica, that's a plant. We can also use tomillo para la inflamación. We can also use manzanilla for the stomach ache. We can also use aloe vera when you get burned. Okay? So this is a use of the plant as a medicine. Okay? And now let's come here. I know how to look after plants. We have to take care of our plants. Your life depends on them. They make oxygen with the photosynthesis for all the living things, for us, for the animals. So look at the pictures. Which activities are good for the plants and which are bad for the plants? Now think, cutting down trees is good or bad? Bad. Starting forest fires, good or bad? Bad. Replanting forests is good or bad? Good. Supporting national parks? National parks are special places protected. Aquí en Madrid tenemos distintos parques nacionales, ¿vale? y se usan para proteger a la fauna y a la flora. Entonces, they are good. Collecting rubbish? Good. And stepping on flowers? Wrong. So now let's practice and you will make this page. I will put on the document, okay, the summary of how we use them, and you will have this. Si no podéis imprimirla, ¿sí? Lo que podéis hacer es coger una de estas, la ponéis encima de un folio, repasáis el mismo tamaño y la hacéis un poco más larga, ¿vale? La calcáis y la hacéis un poco más larga. ¿Queda claro? ¿Sí? Y si no, la imprimís. So, I wish you learned a little bit with me today. So, now you will have to study because next week we will have an exam. Okay? So, bye-bye. See you. Miss you. Bye-bye.